On to a health alert tonight. A concerning new report says cases of whooping cough are on the rise in the United States. The highly contagious illness, also known as pertussis, is also prevalent in South Dakota. According to the State Department of Health's website, 170 cases have been reported so far this year. That is a 415% increase in infections from last year. Health officials say one reason for the uptick is the number of pertussis cases fell sharply during the pandemic as mask wearing, social distancing, and other infection protocols helped protect people from the illness. Dakota News Now will continue to monitor and bring you any updates as they become available.